Man's psychology doesn't only consist of the ramifications of instinct in his behavior. The study of man from his biological aspect only is by far insufficient. There are different kinds of society, different kinds of nations, different traditions. When I realize that there is obviously an unconscious, the question arose, now what is this unconscious? Does it consist merely of rests, of remnants of conscious activities, or are there things that are practically forever unconscious? In other words, is the unconscious a factor in itself? The unconscious must be a factor in itself, because I observe time and again people's dreams or schizophrenic patients' delusions and fantasies contain the motives which they couldn't possibly have acquired in our surroundings. The child is not born tabula rasa, but it is a definite mixture of a combination of genes.